guys, I just got the new Flip video camera, Mino HD. It's supposed to be really good and really clear, and it should not shake too much like the one we have on right now. I've got a lot of comments saying it's really shaky. Shouldn't be that shaky. About to unbox it and show you how it is. Wait for a second, guys. I gotta get the scissors. Alright, you guys, I'm back. Now I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. Yeah. Get this open. Okay, getting this open. Yeah. This is hard. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Got half of it so far. Yeah. I think y'all should get this. It should be really good. Here. Got that out so far. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah. See? Yeah, it's gonna be really good. See if it's got batteries yet. It's on. Right, when I got it, turned it on. Yeah. See this thing? It's got way better, it should have better HD than this one that's on right now. And this is a bonus HDMI cable that hooks onto there. Little thing right there. Should be really good, and I'll be coming out with some vids pretty soon. Edits. And it's mostly going to be inline skating. Yeah. And more stuff too. See you later, and comment if you have any questions about this camera. Bye. Have a great day. Subscribe. And rate. See ya. Have a great day.